All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're going to be back inside our AI Learning Agent project. I'm going to walk through one more update before we actually move on and start going over our cryptocurrency project. I just want to walk through our agent one last time, let you know exactly what's going on before we move on and give it some time to reset itself. Even if it doesn't reset itself, we're going to go ahead and just change the tier of subscription that we have so we can get back to playing around with our agent. So the last time we spoke, our agent was implemented with the pine cone. So that'll enable long term memory. But since then, we did add a bunch of new features. So let's go over that right now. So as you can see here, this is the updated list. Let me move up some so we can start. So you can see it from the top. So we're going to go over all of the updated features from here. You can see this one is Final Form Agent. This one is Final Form Agent 3, letting you know that this one has a lot more capabilities and a lot more features updated. So let's read through some of them now. So the key improvements added are full metrics tracking system, a hybrid, a hybrid search capabilities, relationship-based memory, confidence scoring, validation framework, performance reporting, environment variable security, decorative base instrumentation, core components, original base AI learning agent class, unchanged from initial code. It's the same. We have an enhanced subclass, enhanced AI learning agent with confidence scoring, hybrid search, vector plus keyword, relationship tracking, performance metrics, validation system, interactive CLI interface, command line interface. The code maintains all original functionality while adding new features through class inheritance, method overriding, decorators, separator validation class, enhanced configuration handling. Some features are persistent vector based memory, and you can remember we have those from the Pinecone, so I don't have to read over those for you. Now, those are all of the new implementations that we have, and I know it seems like a lot. So what I did here is I actually brought over all of the key features that we added and the differences between the two codes, and we're going to actually walk through that later on today. We're going to walk through every new feature and the difference between the final form and Final Form 3 and let us know what those updates actually did for our code and how it made it more powerful. After I made the updates and made everything a little bit more reliable, more robust, and more powerful, we actually put everything over here in our perfect agent. This is with everything implemented, and I will explain exactly why this is the perfect agent when we go over everything later on. But first and foremost, we're going to break down everything that was changed, all of the updates, and all of the new features. But I will keep you posted on that when we go over it later, so stay tuned for that. But for now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.